Hello, ma'am.
Hello? Yeah, are you free now?
Yeah, ma'am, I'm free. How are you?
Yeah, fine. Everything is okay.
Okay, so what's going on in Maharashtra, ma'am?
The situation is very terrible, very bad actually.
Yeah, I heard that.
Almost every third or fourth house is getting coronavirus infected person.
Yeah,
Okay, almost every third and fourth house we have. In fact, in our areas where I stay, there are one family who got infected. So before also there is one family who got infected in our area. Earlier also there is one man who died because of this. But hopefully, like not hopefully, we are safe till now. And as far as this vaccination is concerned, okay, when Corona came, the kind of awareness which is spread in the entire world, in the entire country against coronavirus, that
yeah.
how we have to behave, how we have to like wear the mask, and don't have to come out of the houses, or we have to maintain a social distancing and everything. In the same way, the vaccination, this awareness is not there at all. Everybody knows that vaccination is there, but there are
Yeah.
some people who don't know that vaccination is there in the hospital. They have to go and take it. Or this common people is waiting for the government to say us, "Ki, yeah, vaccines have come," or the government to advertise it, which is not done on that scale actually. The reason is that I think they are not producing that much doses, right? They are producing that much doses of vaccines, and that one reason. That's why they are not right, making people aware about it. The vaccinations are going on. Go
No,
and take
no,
from the
no, ma'am. No, ma'am.
hospitals.
I think the vaccines are not enough to provide in public. Okay.
No,
You
no, it
know,
is there actually. It
no, no,
is
ma'am.
there actually.
I
Because here some people have taken. There actually this thing. I was thinking the same thing. The vaccination is not everybody. I thought the same thing because there is no awareness about it. Okay, but there are some people like even I can go and pay the money and I can have that vaccine actually. There was a lady where in front, like in front of her house only I'm standing. She went to the hospital, the private hospital. She paid 250 rupees something in Aadhaar card. She showed her Aadhaar card and she got the vaccine actually. She's approximately age of 70 or 64, something like that. So everybody has this thing in the mind, and then government will say, then we will get it, okay? And
yeah,
some other people are getting it, but it's available for everybody, and especially in the hospitals. So, like which hospitals? This government hospital, it is there. Some government hospital, it is there, but we don't know actually because they're not making aware about all these things. But everybody, it is people who know they're going and getting it, and we are waiting for the government to say us that yeah, it's a start. You go and take it. So they're not making people aware about it only because I think they don't have that much doses only. Because once they will run the campaign, yes, go and take it, the entire country will go in the hospitals. And from where they will go, there's so many doses, right?
yeah, yeah.
They don't have that many actually, according to the population of India.
You know,
So
ma'am.
I told my parents actually to go to the hospitals, the same hospitals, and take the vaccine because they're at the age of 64 something. Not 60, 60, 61, something like that. So I told them to go and take, but we have
Yeah.
not contacted the hospital yet about it because I always go out for the tuition. So I'm not there at home.
You know, ma'am. Today I read in a newspaper
Hmm?
that in Bihar, in many districts, people when people are uh, going for vaccination, but
Hmm?
there is no vaccines available.
Yeah, doses are not there. That's why they are not running the campaign also. They're
Yeah,
going to take the vaccines. They're not I'm making aware the people about it. But once it started, it will always go on because there are a lot of population. It will never ever stop on. It will take a lot of years actually to stop it because there are two doses actually, two doses,
yeah.
and it's a big population.
And right now, 5% of the population have been vaccinated,
Five
and
percent.
yeah,
I
five
don't think
percent.
so. 5% is too much.
5% is too much, but in
Very much.
newspaper
Yeah.
they are showing 5%.
Let them show. 5% is too much.
Yeah,
Because out of 100%, 5% has got the vaccination. I don't trust on that. Let them say 5% is too much actually. How fast they have done the vaccination too fast? What about okay, metropolitan cities and big cities? It's okay. You can say yeah, 5% or 10% of the cities have got the vaccinations. Okay, but what about the rural population? Are
yeah,
the people from the rural or also only from the cities only?
yeah.
We don't
And
know. They don't have doses only actually. That's why they're not running the campaign, and nobody knows about anything.
they should work on their campaign
Hmm?
to spread awareness about vaccination, and
Yeah.
also they should provide enough vaccines in every hospital, so the
Hmm.
people won't left without taking vaccines.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this
But
thing,
but they're not running because they don't have doses. Now, once they will start the campaign, every person will run in the hospital. From there will get the doses, and then the lot of news channels will show in the news that they don't have doses only. ऐसा नहीं हुआ, वैसा नहीं हुआ, all those stuff. Especially the
yeah,
Hindi news channels.
yeah,
Government fail रही, सरकार ने ये कर दिया, वो कर दिया. I don't know what they're saying. That's why they're not running the campaign. They don't have that much. They're just doing it slowly, slowly. Actually, whatever
yeah,
they're producing, they're giving it. They're slowly, slowly doing everything. And once the lot of about more than 50% population will get vaccinated, that I think that is the time then they will announce it that go and take it or run the campaign once they have enough. But producing a vaccine for such a big population, it's a very big task actually. And on
yeah,
the other hand, they have sold so many vaccines also to the other countries also.
yeah,
Out of Maharashtra is concerned, the situation is very, very bad, especially Mumbai. So what here now? There's a weekend lockdown actually. Today is Saturday and tomorrow is Sunday. So 2 days we have weekend lockdown. Nobody's going out actually for this. Nobody's on the road. Nobody's selling anything.
mm,
Okay, and there's nobody going out, and even there's trains and for the bus, I don't know who's going or who is not going. But as far as trains are concerned, they have special passes for weekend. If you have that pass, only then you can go. Otherwise, you can't go. Common people can't go like
so
that.
you have to get a pass to.
Some pass is there, yeah, special pass for the weekend actually. From one of my family member, he went today, so we asked him how you're going. So he told us that he got a special pass actually for the 2 days. Then only he can travel. Everybody can't go and travel from that train actually. Like normal days, everybody's traveling. Okay, but
Without
today,
pass you can't roam it publicly.
yeah, that pass is only for the train actually. And but I don't know about the bus actually. What's the rule for the bus? How they're traveling in the bus? But nobody is out because weekend lockdown is there for 2 days. It was from Friday night till Sunday, Monday morning till 7 o'clock like that.
Yeah,
And even my tuitions, all tuitions I have like finished because of students have exam. They have exams are over. Okay, so I've stopped the tuitions actually. There's one more tuition only for 4 days more. I'll go in next week, only for 4 days. And
yeah,
afterwards, I'll stop going there also because his exams is also over. Okay, so there's no point going wasting my time, and especially in the corona time where I can get infection from anywhere. So it is dreadful now. So the parents told that you continue for the entire month. As I explained them, the situation is very very bad. It's very unsafe for me to travel, especially by the bus, the transport, public transport, right? It's
yeah,
very dangerous. If I have my own vehicle and I can drive it, it's okay. I can come and teach. But I don't know driving and everything. Especially when the corona was started that time, as when I got the tuitions after like the situation was a little bit normal and everybody was unlocking. That time I got 2 3 tuitions, but only because I don't have a private vehicle. I don't know how to ride this motorcycle, the kinetic and all those things. Now, so I told
it's
them I will
very
not
easy,
take it.
ma'am. You can,
Yeah, but it's this city, yeah. Lot of traffic. Then lot of buses are there.
but there is
It's very
also,
difficult to travel here in the bus. It's this side actually, the Mumbai side. Either way in Mumbai we have that Gaon side area like Vasai Virar. There we can easily ride the kinetic and all the simple motorbike, right?
but
The
ma'am, there is
especially who uses
also,
the lady uses that. But
yeah,
here now, I don't want actually. When I see that, now I think that I'll get a if I'm gonna get a bike also for a lady who uses that. I may get stuck somewhere or I get strike to somebody, something like that. I'm in that phase actually. मैं किसी को जाकर ठोक दूंगी सीधे. I have that fear in myself actually. That's the reason I'm not buying it also. Otherwise, having our own vehicle is the best thing to go anywhere actually.
yeah,
And tuitions also, when I leave one tuition, I go to other one. I have to take a public transport and that bus only. Okay. If I have my own vehicle, it's very easy for me. I
yeah,
can for a public transport. I have to wait sometimes half an hour, 15 minutes, 20 minutes for bus to come, and then I go from them. Okay. But if I have my own vehicle, I can go anytime. No, by 5 minutes I can reach there within 5 minutes, right?
yeah,
It saves
yeah,
a lot of time. But only the fear is there within me that I may strike somebody. I may like dash somebody in their bike and or in their transport and vehicle or anything else. So that's the reason I'm not buying it at all. I have that fear in my mind.
So
Not
then,
now, from last many years, I have that fear in my mind.
why don't you go for driving classes? There are many organizations who
No,
provide driving.
I'm talking about the driving only. Even I will learn the driving, I have that fear in my mind that I'll go and I'll get somewhere else in the accident. I'll meet with an accident, something like that. That fear is there in my mind. Otherwise, if I have to learn, I will have to go to the driving classes only.
Go
But
for
the
it,
fear
man.
now,
Go for it, man. Nothing will happen.
no, I have that fear.
Yeah, because you have taken your driving classes, so it won't happen. I think.
Traveling like riding here,
At,
no, it's very difficult.
at least try for
Everybody, that
once.
hole, pit hole is there. Everybody, the hole in the road. And
Yeah.
then suddenly the bus comes, suddenly the private vehicle comes, suddenly what comes?
Yeah.
It's very difficult going over here. Yeah, but if one is confident, and sometimes no, when I go by public transport, the buses, okay, and then when I see that the public transport people, the drivers, they run very roughly actually. They run the bus very roughly. They drive it very, very roughly actually, very rough. They don't care what is happening around them. They just drive
In,
very rough.
they don't follow traffic rules. I
They
think
follow all the rules actually, but they don't care anybody. What is left, what is right, what is there. They just drive their own way.
so, man. When are you planning to post your next vlog?
Next video, it will take a little bit time. I think the next Sunday or the next Sunday it will be on the YouTube actually.
Next Sunday.
Because next Sunday or next Sunday, because this Sunday I have written half of the script, half is left actually. Then I have to record it and then I have to edit it also. The editing part takes a lot of time. It
Yeah.
takes a lot of time. More than scripting, more than recording. It takes so much of time, no? Once I finish the editing part and uploading the videos, I think that I will never ever going to make it only. So really, it's very hectic work actually. Not about the time actually, it's very hectic. Very,
Yeah.
very hectic. Every time to listen the voice and then merge the pictures and everything, it takes a lot of time actually, and very hectic, very pathetic, very tedious actually, very tedious work. That's the reason actually when I spoke to one person before starting to the YouTube that can you edit my videos, so he told me that I'll take 1,000 to something from for your videos. So I asked him if I'll give you 10 videos of 5 minutes. He told me you give me 10 videos or you give me one video, I'll take 1,000 rupees only because it takes a lot of time. So I thought how it takes a lot of time. Now I came to know when I'm doing by myself. And this time I have decided the pictures now I'll insert very less pictures I'm going to insert.
Yeah, how can
Because
you pay 1,000 even you are not earning it from YouTube?
yeah.
Yeah.
So then I have inserted a lot of pictures now. So inserting a lot of pictures means I have to download the pictures actually. I have to search it. That is very, very tedious work actually. Very,
Yeah.
very tedious work. See, editing it's okay. Inserting picture it's okay. It's very easy. That is very easy. But when I have to search the pictures, okay, when I have to download it, when I have to decide it, this picture will go with this statement, with this word. It really takes a lot of time. Scrolling the pictures and finding out the proper pictures. Really, yeah, it's very finding the pictures very, very tedious work. So last time when I did, I thought कि अब मैं करूँगी नहीं, मेरे से हिम्मत ही नहीं हो रही थी. I thought कि I will not do now. I was so fed up of doing all this work. But now once I have started, I have to do it only. And this time I'll put very less pictures actually. Normally what I do sometimes for a statement I put a picture. Sometimes for a word I put a picture. This time I'll put a picture and complete my statement only. Yeah, I'll not put much pictures. It takes a lot of time.
Yes, so
Very
ma'am.
well. Mm-hmm.
I think if you work on your editing, what's that called?
What?
There's something that's not coming in my mind.
It's okay. You can speak in Hindi. I want the idea what are you talking about.
मैं बोल रहा था कि अगर मतलब आप एडिटिंग सही से करती हैं ना तो आप उसका वो जो काम करते हैं उसका बाद में आपको मिलेगा सही मतलब लोग
हाँ
आपके
हाँ
वीडियोस को लाइक करेंगे.
हाँ, because I'm not uploading the videos now. Actually, at least one video should be there 1 week actually.
भले
Okay.
मतलब it takes a lot of time, but if you post good content and good video, so people will be happy to see your videos or to uh,
Correct. So that is correct actually, and it takes years actually. It
yeah,
doesn't happen overnight. It happens overnight when you choose a topic which is trending topic actually, which is
yeah.
in trend, which people are searching. Okay.
Yeah, ma'am, and you don't know which video will go viral.
Yeah, we
So
don't know that
you have to
actually.
work very hard, and you have to give your best.
At least it will take 2-3 years. That some I have get some quite good subscribers because right now I don't have much actually.
Yeah,
So I think it will take 2-3 years for me, but I have to keep on working on constantly. At least one video per week I should upload, which I'm not able to do because of my workload, because of the tuitions and everything, because I have to earn money also at the same time. And I have to do everything. There is nobody to support me. Ki, yes, you do these things, I will do this for you. So it will be easy then, okay?
yeah,
But it takes a time because I have to do everything single-handedly. Nobody is there to help me. So if for uploading one video, it takes 2-3 weeks actually. Sometimes it's 1 month it takes. So
so
actually, this time what I've decided now, I'm not going to show my face at all. I will just put the pictures and my voiceover.
yeah,
Yeah, because really shooting like is also like I have started initially with the face because I don't know what to do, how to do, right? But now I know I can record the video and I can merge with the these pictures and everything. So I have
so
gone through the editing part actually, and I have searched over there. Can I do like that? So I just recorded one voice and merged with the picture. So it is happening. Okay.
mm,
So now I have decided I will not show my face. I will just use the pictures and my voiceover. But the problem is that there are already so much of videos. They have a very good content as well as the voiceover. Their
yeah,
voice is also very sweet, very nice, very calm,
yeah,
and very clean actually. Okay, they are slowly narrating everything properly. As far as mic is concerned, I'm very much fast, harsh, rough. So there's that is difference is there actually, and there's a very big difference because the other videos which I have seen, their voiceover is very nice.
yeah.
But anyhow, if I have said I have to do that part.
Okay, so ma'am, what will be our next topic?
And next topic, integrity.
Integrity.
Yeah, tomorrow we'll speak about integrity. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Same time, 4 o'clock.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, bye.
Okay, bye.